Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark on CapCut. So here I've already opened my CapCut and import a video that I download on TikTok. So as you guys can see here on the video, there is this TikTok watermark at the top and I want to remove that from the video. And if you go to the end of the video, the watermark will now move to the bottom right corner of the video. This one's right here. And what you need to do to remove that is you can just zoom in the video. So click on the video here on the timeline and then zoom it in like this. You can see at the bottom there will be no watermark, and let's see at the start. Okay, so at the start also the watermark that is on top of the video in here before, it's also disappear. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.